Alright, yo guys, Tyler here, and I'm doing a review on my 2005 G35. So, let's see. First off, I got it all stock, and I didn't do much to it, but so I'm gonna start off with the first thing I did was the grill. I just plastic dipped it. I just like it because it gives more contrast compared to like the all chrome one. And yeah, it just looks cleaner. And then I think the second thing was side markers. I just got them on Amazon for like 60 bucks, so focus. And then next was projectors. I traveled all the way from San Francisco to LA to get them, but I got them for $470 for both, so it was pretty good. One has a broken tab though. And then let's see, next I lowered the car, slammed. I really like how it sits right now. I think I forget what size spaces I have in the rear, but it's all good right now. Let's see, let's get up close. From the side. It's kind of dirty right now, but whatever. I think it's pretty low. I like it. And then, what else did I do? Oh yeah, camera kit. So we only got a rear camera kit right now, SPC. And then the front should be coming in soon, but they sent us the wrong one. Let's see. Oh yeah, and then I got a muffler delete a couple days ago. I'll let you guys hear it right now. Sounds pretty good in my opinion, but it's all I could afford, so it'll do for now. I'll set you guys down. Alright, wait. I think that should be good. Alright, so I'll give it a little bit of revs and then take off from there. I'll come back and then tell you guys what I want to do to it. Alright, so now that you guys heard it and were told what I have been doing to it, I'll just give you guys a walk around. So I'll show you guys the interior scene. So far, I love the car. Sounds perfect. The stock exhaust was kind of too low for me because I'm still young. I want to be obnoxious. And yeah, it's a good car. Reliable. Then yeah, I'll show you guys the interior right now. Start from here. Right. So mine's an 05, sportier gauges. Clock's right there. There's it's a rip right there, and also on the other side. But that usually happens to most G's, so, well, G35s. And in the rear, kind of dark, but yeah, it's just seats. Then, yeah, that's how it sits so far. Alright, now take you guys on a drive, tell you what I want to do to it. Alright, so we're back into the interior view, and yeah, let's just drive. So some car alarms off, but right now there's no cars off. Alright, so now that we're out of the garage, I'll tell you guys what I want to do to it. So for now, for a couple months until, actually a couple years, because I'm about to graduate high school, until I get enough money, I want to get a new exhaust instead of this muffler delete. Alright, so I want to get the Nismo bumper and some side splitter that will fit the stock side skirts, because I like how it looks. It's just, I just want a splitter, and I'll have a splitter on the Nismo bumper too. Get some wheels. I'll be a typical VSXX G owner. But for now, I don't know. Thinking of bronze or gold, I don't know. Whatever you want to say. Those are most of the plans. Don't really have anything else planned. But that's in a while. Right now, it's just gonna stay like this. Oh my god, that was a police station. Whoops. Alright, we're gonna get on this little highway. Go. Hopefully the camera doesn't fall again. And it's kind of hard to set up this camera in this car because I have a 50mm and it's so close up. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more. Thanks.